If you need a portable power station for emergency cases and have a limited budget, you may pick a power station from this post. Hope you will be pleased to use this portable power station. There are many products available to choose from. Portable power station. I have compiled a list of reputed brands and done a lot of research. People will see your choice and find the products very helpful to help you make an informed decision on various features. The right products with different features and prices are determined from Best 5 Portable Power Station. If you want to know about the price and other information, sure be check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Jackery Portable Power Station Explorer 240. The design and size of the Jackery Explorer 240 power station are compact and its weight is 6.82 pounds, which provides flexibility to carry wherever you're going outdoors, such as camping, hunting, or on road trips. You may carry it easily anywhere. Power. The normal and peak power of Explorer 240 power stations are 200W and 400W. So, you can charge your essential devices using this powerful power bank at the same time. Green recharge. You can fully recharge this power station within a minimum time in 3 different ways. One of them is, it can be recharged through the solar panel, Jackery SolarSaga 60 or SolarSaga 100. 2 other options are, by the wall and car outlet. Positive side of this product. Compact design. Multiple charging options. Lithium-ion battery. Noise and pollution-free operation. Displays remaining battery life. Versatile power source. Powers a CPAP machine. Reasonable price. Negative side of this product. No USB-C port. Number 2. Jackery Portable Power Station Explorer 160. The size of this portable power station is compact and its weight is just 3.84 pounds. It seems to be like a small mini bag that will provide flexibility. You can carry it almost everywhere and power it to your devices wherever you're out of your home or outdoor camping. Power. The Explorer 160 power station can produce 100W of normal power and 150 watts of peak power. This is typically best for charging a phone, 16X, laptop, 10H, lamplight, 10H, tablet, 3.5X, and other electronic devices. Recharge. There are 3 ways that you can recharge the Explorer 160, such as you can plug it into a wall socket, from a car, and from a solar panel. It is noted that 1 AC charger and 1 car adapter charger are included in the package, solar panel not included. The power unit will take the following time to recharge. Number 3. Westinghouse iGen 200S Portable Power Station. This is one of the best power stations under 200, which provides hassle and maintenance-free solutions for indoor and outdoor power needs. It can produce 150 normal watts and 300 peak watts, so you can properly utilize this power for your devices. Versatile outlets. Using this portable power station, you can charge up to 6 devices at the same time. It includes 2 *120V AC outlets, 3 USB ports, 1 *USB-C port, and a 1x6mm 9-12V DC outlet that can quickly charge your LED TV, phone, tablet, laptop, lights, humidifier, or refrigerator. Recharge option. You can recharge this Westinghouse iGen 200S portable power station at home, on the way, or using generators. It has the option to recharge your power unit using the solar panel not included. Therefore, it will take the following time to maximum recharge. Household outlet within 4 hours, 0 to 80%. Car outlet within 5 hours, 0 to 80%. Solar panel within 5 hours, 0 to 80%. Number 4. 300W Solar Generator, Flashfish 60,000 mAh Portable Power Station. You can charge your laptop, tablet, fan, and CPAP machine using a 110V AC outlet, including. It has 3 USB ports, 18W QC 3.0, 5V 2.4a, which can charge your small devices such as phones, drones, iPad, and cameras. There are 12V DC ports that can be used for outdoor activities such as car chargers, car refrigerators, car air fans, and car vacuums. Recharge. You can fully recharge this Flashfish 300W power station from the solar panel not included. In addition, you can also recharge this power bank into the AC outlet and car outlet. Therefore, it will take the following time to maximum recharge. AC outlet within 5 to 6 hours, 0 to 100%. Car outlet within 6 to 7 hours, 0 to 100%. Solar panel within 6 to 7 hours, 0 to 100%. Devices power. The normal power of the Flashfish is 300W and the peak power is 350W. This is an ideal charging solution and you may carry it for your camping. Number 5. EF EcoFlow Portable Power Station River Mini. The EcoFlow River Power Station is portable, lightweight, and powerful that can carry anywhere. Its size is very small and weighs only 6.3 pounds, which can easily fit in your backpack whenever you'll be going outdoors, camping, and traveling. Fast charging. The EcoFlow Portable Power Station uses the extreme technology which ensures fast charging than others, for 50 times faster. It will take 1.01 hour to charge the power station from 0% to 80% and takes 1.5 hours to charge fully. Recharging methods. You can recharge the EcoFlow River Mini power station into the AC wall outlet, car outlet, or from the solar generator with solar panels. Therefore, it will take the following time to recharge fully. AC outlet within 1.5 hours, 0 to 100%. Car outlet within 3.5 hours, 0 to 100%. Solar panel within 2 to 4 hours, 0 to 100%. Devices power. This is the next level best portable power bank under $200 that powers 300W devices and X-Boost's power up to 600W devices. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. What should be the price after verifying the right product quality, and what is the customer's demand? If you want to know product details or prices or need any other kind of information, please comment below. Any issue, stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching.